Hello everyone. Recently I came across this website called Cube Challenge. This website got created 28 days ago by Daromeon. I'm gonna share the link to his Twitter and a link to the website on the description. The website is basically helping you to draw cubes in perspective, and it has like a daily challenge, a normal mode, a study mode, an endless mode, and at the beginning you have like guidelines, but then you don't. And you need to like guess the perspective kind of, and you get a score for that. It's a nice game. It's like learning while playing, and I like it. This time in the challenge you also need to draw like a circle in the middle of the box, but yesterday it wasn't like that. I really recommend you trying it out because it's really fun and addicting, and it's also teaching you, like you get better at it the more you do it. This is not a promoted video, I just wanted to share it because I thought it's really cool, and I like to share things that I find that they're really cool. But yeah, like you also have like shortcuts in this website, like for example Control Z to undo, hold space to move the thing, scroll the wheel on your mouse to zoom in and zoom out, hit enter in order to judge, in order to like submit it. And if you want to see the leaderboard on the game, you can like after you finish like your challenge, and it's like having like the share button, the next button, all of these, you can like type your name in there and share it, like submit it to the leaderboard. So you basically place yourself in the leaderboard, but also like that's how you can see the leaderboard. So yeah, I think it's really cool. If you try it, I hope you like it. I hope you also enjoyed the video, and thank you for watching.